What I'm about to show you all in this video is gonna blow your mind. This is literally a brand new smartwatch that recently came in the market and is powered by OpenAI, guys. The same thing powering ChatGPT. It's got lots of interesting features, guys. This is Amazfit's all new Active 2 Square. Remember a couple of weeks back, I think Amazfit launched their Active 2, the regular round edition. Now they've launched the same thing in square design, guys. You're getting a full-on AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling support is there, built-in GPS, and lots of AI related features, guys. So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about this smartwatch in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So boys, our brand new Active 2 Square smartwatch from Amazfit came in this sort of packaging, and I'm telling you, right, this smartwatch packs like next gen AI features on board. It's literally powered by OpenAI, the same thing that you see on ChatGPT. So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about all the features on this smartwatch. On the front you got a picture of the product, Amazfit branding everywhere, and this smartwatch is available only in this one variant, I believe, which comes with a premium black leather straps, and along with that you're also getting a free set of sporty straps also included. So that is pretty much it. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just remove the seal on the packaging, open the box and show you how the smartwatch looks like. And ta-da! There you go, our very first hands-on and initial impressions at Amazfit's all new Active 2 Square. Oh wow, look at the shine on the body, guys. Absolutely premium looking smartwatch, right? We'll just come back to the smartwatch in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some accessories. Okay, there's a user manual over here, very thick book, just make sure to read that if you got time. Keeping that aside, you're also getting a magnetic charging dock for the watch, but unfortunately no USB cables included. You'll have to use your smartphone or any other already existing cable. Lastly, this is a free sporty strap I was talking about in the package, along with the black leather strap. You're also getting the sporty red color straps included, guys. So if you kind of wish like you want to have that sporty sort of look on the watch, right, you can easily replace this black leather straps anytime and change the complete look of this watch. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the smartwatch and first of all talk about the design, build quality and all of its highlights. Initial impressions, I have to mention, guys, Active 2 Square looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. I mean, look at the whole finishing over here. It kind of looks like a dress watch, right? Look at the whole body, the shine on the body, guys. I've told you, right, it's entirely made of like stainless steel material, that too with a very beautiful polishing, guys. On the front you're getting a large 1.75 inches AMOLED display. We'll talk about the display quality and all of that at a later part. And going to the side here, you got some buttons. Let me first show you from the left side. I believe this one is your speaker. Yes, the watch comes with built-in speaker and also microphone, so full-on Bluetooth calling support is there. To the right side you're getting two buttons over here. One, I believe, is for the power button and multifunction. Other one must be like a custom button, guys. You can assign various sort of functions. Here's how the back profile looks like. On board you're getting a brand new gen BioTracker 6 PPG sensor. You got all health related features and functions included, guys. Not an issue at all. And let me also give you a closer look at the straps. I've told you, right, you're getting like pure black leather straps, very good quality straps. Definitely feel like quite premium when you hold them. You got the Amazfit branding as well, and very nice. Good thing is they're also replaceable. Anytime you can simply replace them with that sporty strap already included in the package. So that's it, our complete overview. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the watch, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Okay boys, I'm back to continue the video. Our watch is all set up and I've been testing the watch for quite some time, and there is a lot I'll have to share in this video, guys. Make sure to watch it till the end. We'll definitely talk about all of its AI related features, not to miss out Zepp Flow Assistant as well. And let me tell you, this Amazfit Active 2 Square is powered by Zepp OS 5.0, guys. That is entirely powered by like OpenAI. First of all, let me just put on the watch and show you how it looks like and basically talk about the whole comfort and in-hand feel. See, let me tell you, initial impressions, the watch actually feels a bit compact and small in size, so especially if you have like large hands, right, I believe it might be a bit small for you. But for my hand, on my hand, right, I mean, look at this, it definitely feels like a perfect size to me and looks quite attractive. I love this polished stainless steel finish on the frame. It gives you that premium look and feel. Not to miss out, the watch also comes with a scratch resistant sapphire glass on the top. And wait a second, I forgot to talk about the weight, right? It roughly weighs around like 32-33 grams. Not that heavy, guys, quite comfortable when you're wearing. thing. Anyways, let me quickly power it on and show you how the display looks like. So there you go, 1.75 inches AMOLED display in action, and I have to mention that is a beautiful looking display, guys. Gorgeous display. There is great amount of detail. Obviously you're getting 390 by 450 resolution at 1.75 inches in square form factor. Everything looks crisp and clear, guys. Check out the text over here and also the detail on the watch face. Contrast ratio, black levels are also excellent. Obviously this is an AMOLED panel, you're gonna get like near to infinite contrast ratio and true black levels. Talking about the colors also look phenomenal, guys. Rich, vibrant and punchy because it's an AMOLED panel, right? So there's nothing less you can expect over here. Top notch panel Amazfit is providing. Not to miss out, it is also super bright, guys. The panel can easily hit around like 2000 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display even in like outdoor bright situations. Last but not the least, yes, you're also getting always on display support and raise to wake functionality is also included. Anyways, here's how the home screen on the smartwatch looks like. I've told you, right, this watch is powered by their all new Zepp OS 5.0 that is in turn powered by OpenAI, guys. On the home screen you can apply variety of watch faces. On board I believe you're getting around like 8 to 9 watch faces pre-installed which are also customizable. Apart from this, using the Zepp app on your phone you can download 200 plus watch faces, guys. So many options are there. Easily download whichever suits your tastes. Anyways, let me give you like a quick walk around and talk about the UI. Swiping down on the home screen gives you access to quick settings page. Plenty of options are there directly choosable right from over here. And swiping up on the home screen gives you access to notifications area. Here you can check out all your recent messages, SMSs or even missed call notifications, anything, guys. And swiping left on the home screen gives you access to like quick access widgets on the home screen. These are also again customizable using the Zepp OS app on your phone. So you've got readiness widget over here, day-to-day fitness activity that shows you how many steps you've taken, distance traveled or how much workout you've done for that particular day and stuff like that. Apart from this, you got your weather panel and also HR sensing, stress level measurement, fitness activity page, plenty of other stuff. So that is basically it about the complete home screen and built-in apps. Again, in case if you want to access a full list of apps and features, right, you can do that simply by pressing this top button on the right side over here, guys, and there you go. Now you can fully access all the built-in apps and features. And I'm telling you, right, there are so many apps and features. Plus apart from this, there's also a dedicated app store available in the compatible app from where you can download even more apps, guys. Let me quickly show you all the available apps and talk about them. Full on health related features like 24/7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2, stress level measurement, one tap measurement is also there. Basically if you click on this, right, completely it will measure all health related features in one go and give you all the details. So the watch supports almost like 160 plus sport mode activity tracking like walking, running and also lots of different sport activities as well, guys. Will give you a lot of useful information like how much calories you've been burning doing that session, how much distance you've traveled and stuff like that. And not to forget, it also has like built-in GPS, right, 5 satellite positioning system. Using that it'll also give you like a complete geolocation tagging as for that complete activity done. Then you've got your complete fitness activity history, Pi score is also there, stress level measurement, sleep monitoring is also available. And I've told you, right, this is that Bluetooth calling feature. We'll come there and talk about that at a later part in the video. You do have a music player included as well. So the watch has around like 512 MB of storage, guys. You can save some offline songs or any sort of stuff on board and literally listen to music on the go because it also has like built-in speaker and microphone, right? So you can utilize that for even like music playback option. Apart from that, you've got all your regular stuff like calendar, sun, moon tracking is available, timer function, alarm function, all of these are available. And yes, you're also getting a compass included, barometer function, thermometer is also there that will give you like real-time skin temperature monitoring and plenty of other stuff. Voice memos is also there. Say suppose you want to record some sort of audio on your smartwatch, right? Yes, you can utilize that onboard microphone to directly record audio in the built-in storage. So that is pretty much it. These are all the built-in apps and features. Last but not the least, this is that special AI app I was talking about, guys, Amazfit Zepp Flow. This is basically like a full-on AI virtual assistant. You can ask any sort of questions to this, not just related to the smartwatch, and using OpenAI it'll give you answers. Like for example, you want to know some general knowledge related questions, like for example you want to know how tall is Eiffel Tower. Simply ask it and it'll give you answers on the go, and not just text based answers. It literally has a speaker, right? It'll also give you like output voice prompts as well. So that is definitely a very cool feature. Apart from this, say suppose you want to do some math related problems, yes, you can ask it. You can ask it to do multiplication multiplication, division, or even complex advanced mathematics as well. Apart from this, you can also ask it to like change settings in the smartwatch, or maybe you want to access some other things, right? Simply ask it on the go and it will give you the results. Very cool features, I would say. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the health related features. I've told you, right, this watch literally has like full on health package. You're getting 24/7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, stress level measurement, sleep monitoring, and basically everything, guys. And I've been testing this smartwatch for the last couple of days and overall experience was pretty good. Again, nothing less expected from Amazfit over here. All the sensors were working well, almost like 90-95%, and was giving like accurate results most of the time. Just have a look at this demo. Remember at the beginning I've told you that it also has Bluetooth calling function. Yes, you can literally call anybody and talk to them directly from the smartwatch, guys. So you can access this Bluetooth calling feature from the app list on the watch, or direct shortcut is also there. Simply click this lower button on the right side and there you go, opens up the Bluetooth calling section. You've got dialer pad over here, literally dial in any number and talk to them, or you also have like top contacts where you can literally add all your favorite contacts over here for one tap calling feature. Again though, if you want to access these features, you'll obviously need the watch to be connected to your phone and install the compatible Zepp app, guys. Then only you'll be able to do all sorts of calling and answer calls on your watch. Anyways, let me quickly play some music over here. Just listen to this audio demo track. You'll get an idea on the speaker quality. Built-in mic performance was very good is what I can say. I've answered a couple of calls in both indoor and outdoor situation. Other person could clearly hear what I was saying. No issues, guys. And even if you ask about the speaker quality was also nice. I could easily understand what the other guy was saying. Only thing I felt is output was tad a bit less. For indoor sort of usage, no issues. You'll be like plenty satisfied. But if you're using the watch Bluetooth calling feature in outdoor situations, maybe in like traffic scenes, right, there it might be a bit difficult to hear. So you might have to place the watch close to your ear to understand what they are saying. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. On board you're getting a 260 mAh battery, and battery life was decent is what I can say. See, on a moderate sort of usage, if you're setting the brightness to like auto mode and you're using it for like casual day-to-day sort of activities, checking out the time, maybe use some Bluetooth related features once in a while for accessing notifications and stuff like that, right? Then you can easily expect around like 9 to 10 days of battery life on a single charge. But again, if you're like a heavy user, you use that built-in GPS feature a lot, or maybe Bluetooth calling functionality a lot, right, then you can roughly expect the watch to last for only around like 2 to 3 days. Again, if you're like a sporty person using full-on non-stop GPS functionality, right, then hardly it'll give you around like 17 to 18 hours on a single charge, guys. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. So that is pretty much it, our complete wraparound on Amazfit's all new Active 2 Square smartwatch. It's a great smartwatch for the price point. You're literally getting everything, guys. Beautiful stainless steel body, sapphire glass protection on top of it, AMOLED display is also there, Bluetooth calling support, built-in GPS, AI related features as well. So it's like an all-in-one package. Only thing, as I've told you at the beginning, right, if you have like very large wrist, right, then you might feel the watch is tad a bit small for you. But for general audience, maybe for people who have hands like me, right, it looks absolutely beautiful and perfect size, guys. So as I've told you at the beginning, the watch roughly costs around like 12,999 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.